So you want to remove a negative link on Google search results. How do you do it in 2023 and 22, beyond? The answer is always going to be the same. And it's don't. Or at least don't try to do it first. Because when you try to remove a negative link, you are at the mercy of somebody else. It's kind of like your emotions. Don't leave your emotions in charge of other people. If someone's going to say something to me and I'm going to react because I care about what they think, they have all the power. It's the same thing with online reputation management. Don't try to remove the links and wait and hire lawyers and spend thousands of dollars. Proactively work on both the sentiment and the narrative and suppress the content. I'm telling you now, I've never seen content that cannot be suppressed off the first page of Google. Ever. With enough fortitude, with enough willpower, with enough publishing content, you will be able to suppress anything off the first page of Google. So my recommendation is, as it is in all the videos, number one, write long form digital content of 500 to 1,000 words or more. Hire publishers on high domain authority websites. You can use Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork to scout publishers, or you can hit up publishers directly and ask for a flat fee. Next thing, once your articles have gone live, start building social networks, social media platforms. Number four, keep those platforms active, consistently, rinse and repeat, post content. Number five, set up Google brand alerts and monitor your brand moving forward. Doing this, you're going to be able to suppress content. The reason why we don't look at simply removing the content is because A, journalists have a code of ethics. They're not going to remove content unless it's slanderous or libel. Otherwise, everybody would remove unfavorable news. The second thing, .gov websites, court dockets, they tend not to come down. Public records don't come down very easily. The US has the best freedom of press. It has, as in the most freedom of press. You can almost say anything you want in US media. Canada, we're a little bit more like the Brits. Difficult to say whatever you want. But for the most part, content will not come down. UK has the right to be forgotten, but it's not easily implemented and executed. So content still tends to rank all over the UK. We work with a number of UK clients every year, at least more than 10. Australia, we work with their search results. We've just looked at search results in Burundi and Nigeria. So we're working all around the world with online reputation management. And the answer is always one thing: suppression. If you'd like to talk about a suppression strategy, ranking positive content on high domain authority websites and Google News syndicated publishers, click the link down below. Let's book a call. We'll reveal everything to you for free, and we'll outline what it might look like if we were to work together. Thanks again for watching the video, and we hope to see you around soon. My name's Nadernejad, and take care.